Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, and our juice for today is Wellness Wednesday. How fitting this juice is. It is an hydration glow juice. This is our ingredients. We'll be doing watermelon, lemon, mint, fresh mint. And for me, I will be adding some ginger to mine. So, your Wellness Wednesday, good for hydration, good for glowing your skin and just rehydrating, and your midweek reset drink. After all that work, here we go for your Wellness Wednesday to get hydration. So let's get started. We're gonna put some watermelon in, some lemon. Just dump it all into the juicer. And again, you know me, I'm making extra. And I must tell you that I pre-prep everything. I wash my fruits and my vegetables in some baking soda and vinegar water and let them sit there for a good 5-10 minutes, and I rinse. So everything is already washed and ready to go. And again, you do not waste anything. The skin is on the watermelon, which is really good, full of nutrients, full of vitamin C, so healthy for you. And just so you know, never throw away your lemon peel. Never. You could use this to make your tea, your lemon, your ginger, and your honey. You could even dehydrate it and grind it up and use it for baking, So never throw it away. So let's get going. Oh, that fresh mint smells so delicious and refreshing. Okay, let's taste. I'll go back to my juicing once we're done. Just a mint. Oh, I could see how refreshing. You ever realize on a very hot summer day and you eat some nice cold watermelon, how refreshing that is? Think about this, Wellness Wednesday. Watermelon, fresh mint, lemon, ginger. How refreshing that will be. Very refreshing, it's like a lemonade. Not too sweet. The hint of ginger and the lemon and the mint, very refreshing. So remember, your health is your wealth. So stay hydrated with your Wellness Wednesday juice. See you tomorrow morning. Enjoy.